Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Yes, I'm sure you're wondering, where's the other Brachi? He's at work. My man is getting down for me at work, so I decided I'd like to show y'all how I cook my, wait for it, drum roll, dal gosht. Now when you're hearing dal gosht, you're thinking, oh, mutton and dal. No, I am making beef dal gosht. If you haven't tasted that, please try it out the way I make it. I don't want to bore you with the talking and everything. Let's get into it. But before we get into it, please guys, don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe. Look on your screen on the right side. Just click on it. It says subscribe. Click on it and next to it there's a bell there. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's get into this. This is what I'm going to be using. Half an onion, some curry leaf, bay leaf and stars. 2 stars. This is all my spices. This is turmeric. This one is som. There's ilachi powder in here and there is cinnamon powder in here. Here this is dhania. This is egg yellow. This is my chili powder. It is Kashmiri Sohana chili powder. And I'm missing my garam. If you have garam, please use it. I don't have, but it's fine because I cook without it. If I don't have it, it still tastes nice, the food anyway. And this is my garlic I buy from Spa. No ginger, just garlic. And this is the beef short ribs. We like it because of the bones in it. And that's it. And I have my oil already in the pot. Not a lot of oil guys, just so that it can cover the bottom of the pot. The first step guys is to get your oil nice and hot. Not very hot, it will start splashing everywhere. And then you're gonna put in your onions. Let that fry. Now I know you're wondering, hey, this girl never showed tomato. No, I don't cook with tomato. There's certain foods I do. I use the CAN DHALL. I buy it from Spa. You waste no time with that one. It's exactly the same thing as standing in your kitchen and boiling dal for so long, or putting in the pressure cooker, making yourself so tired, washing all the dishes. No, I just buy a can. When I want dal, I use it. And that's it. Throw the can away and finished. Now guys, I'm putting in my garlic. I'm putting in 1 heaped and a quarter. And then you mix it in for like 2 seconds, literally. Wow, this is how quick I put it in. No, and pull it off the stove. I don't want my garlic to burn. I don't like burnt garlic. It just don't taste right. So I pulled my garlic off the stove. I'm not burning it. I just heated it and that's it. Now I'm putting in all my spices. Look guys, you can go and get this from any Indian shop. It's so easy because before we used to always put all our spices in different containers and then you end up have to open each container. This one you have everything here. You just so turmeric, I don't like a lot of turmeric. This is it. I'm using so much, you can say just less than a teaspoon. That's how much. My dhania powder, heaped teaspoon. And the cinnamon, ilachi and som powder, half of the spoon, so maybe a heaped teaspoon as well, just a little more than a heaped teaspoon because it's 3 different spices mixed together. Food coloring, egg yellow, very little of that. Now my chili powder, I use This is very, very hot chili powder. This is extra hot Kashmiri chili powder and hot Kashmiri Suhana chili powder. I'm gonna use like so much of this, just a little bit more. So just say 1 scoop of it. I'm gonna put in my stars, my bay leaf. I'm gonna mix it here off the stove everywhere. Mix it properly. And then I'm gonna drop in my meat, my beef. Guys, I'm gonna put it back on the stove now and put my meat in. And I'm gonna mix it quick. I don't want my spices to burn. I'm gonna add some water in quick. Mix it properly. Boiled water, guys. Boiled water in your kettle. I use like 1 whole kettle of water. Some people use less, but that's how much I use. I like my meat to cook on low heat on number 4 for like more than an hour and a half maybe, so the meat is soft, comes off the bone. I'm gonna throw in my curry leaf. This is an easy way for you guys. If your curry leaf goes bad, if you keep it in the fridge, what I do is when I buy my curry leaf, I freeze it. I don't rinse it. I just take it off the stem, I freeze it, and when I want to use it, I just rinse it, and that's it. It's fresh. So this, for me, we work with our eyes. So I use fine salt, and this is how much fine salt, just that much, and a little bit more. I mix that around. Smells lovely in here. I'm gonna close the lid now and leave this little bit water in it. I'm gonna close the lid and let it just cook for like 5 minutes. You'll see like some oil will come out, and then I put all my water in, close the pot, and every like 20 minutes I check it, and that's it. That's how quick and easy it is. Okay guys, 5 minutes. I'll say 3 minutes. I waited. I washed my dishes. Now, what I like to see is, you see this? See like some oil is coming up. So that's what I wait for. Then I just mix it. And here I go with all my water into the pot. Don't worry guys. Don't keep on putting water. I don't like when people keep on putting water. I put my water at once and that's it. I close my pot, and every 15 to 20 minutes I check the food. That's a kettle of water that I used in here, and it's gonna cook now with my lid half open for the next 1 hour 15 to 20 minutes. When I see that, I'm 100% sure that's how I make all my food. By that time, the meat is so soft, some of the meat falls off the bone, and that's when I know it's lovely, beautiful. And now I just leave it. Simple guys, you don't need to complicate it. It's when you complicate it, the food doesn't taste nice. When you put all that jeera seeds and mustard seeds and all those bloody seeds, there's certain foods you can use it in. But for me, I like when I eat, I don't like to bite on those things. So guys, this is how it's looking now. I'll show you halfway through, and when I'm going to put the dal in, I'll show you the dal low and slow. We're gonna cook it on number 4 the whole way through. As you can see guys, the water level is gone down now. It's more than halfway done, halfway through. So when you find a bone like this, then you know your meat is nice and soft, your beef. And when I'm putting in the dal, I will show you guys. This is how you want your water level to look. See, the oil came up now. It's very low. Now it's time for me to put my dal in. This is how the dal looks. The canned dal, I buy it from Spa. So I drop my dal in now. it around here. Put some boiling water. Don't waste, guys. No wasting here. You put water in the can. You drop it in. Whatever's left over. I'm gonna put my stove now on number 3 so that it can just simmer. And I'm gonna put a little bit boiling water here so that it can loosen the dal up. Just a little bit, not a lot. And when you close the lid, it will melt the dal, so you don't need to worry. I'm just showing you how to press out the lumps. Look at it, guys. Delicious, mouth-watering. My man loves this. If he can eat it every week, he will. And it's so simple and easy when you're using the canned dal. You braise your curry and then you just drop the dal in. So this is how it should look with the dal in. Look. See, like that. The lumpy parts of the dal will melt. Don't worry, don't stress yourself. And after 10 minutes of simmering, I will show you guys. And that's it. Quick and easy. No big hassles. It's all done now, guys. I'm just gonna put some garnish so that it looks lovely and beautiful. You don't have to put dhania, guys. I just use it as a garnish. Only in certain foods like biryanis and things like that, I use it in it. But now that I'm putting the dhania, it's just for garnish. And yeah, so it's done. I'll show you when it's in the plate and dished up for my man, and he'll be tasting it. Dished up and ready for my man. Dal goes with basmati rice. Lovely chilies pickle in the side for him. He's stuffed in, he's ready for lunch tomorrow. He wants some for lunch.
So I just came home to this beautiful plate of dal. I knew it was my wife's cooking because I smelled it when I entered the complex.
Right, taste it now. They don't want to hear all your stories.
Let's taste what this tastes like. I know it always tastes good. Just for you all. Guys, you really have to try this out. It is delicious. I can't stop eating this. Guys, if you want to see more of my wife's cooking, please subscribe to our channel. If you're not sure how to cook something and you would like to know, please leave a comment so that she can do a video for you guys. Give us a thumbs up on this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Practice signing out. I like this.